If you're looking to streamline your project management and save time, then you need to know how to use SuiteDash's workflow automation. SuiteDash promises an all-in-one platform to manage clients, projects, and team workflows, but does it live up to the hype? In this video, I'll walk you through the key features of SuiteDash's workflow automation and show you how it can help you get more done in less time. Stick around to the end, where I'll reveal the best alternative that might just be a better fit for your needs. The first thing you need to know is that SuiteDash's workflow automation is all about automating repetitive tasks. By setting up workflows, you can automate project management tasks, notifications, and client communications. This cuts down on manual work and minimizes the chances of human error. You can create custom workflows that trigger actions based on specific conditions, like sending an email when a project stage is completed. This automation saves time and ensures consistency across projects. Next thing, let's talk about the process of creating workflows. SuiteDash makes it fairly simple. You start by defining the triggers, which can be actions like a client submitting a form or a task being marked complete. From there, you create automated actions, like sending a task reminder or moving the project to the next stage. It's all pretty intuitive, but there are some limitations in terms of customization. It's not as flexible as some users might want if you have very complex workflows. The third thing is the integration of third-party tools. SuiteDash offers integrations with popular apps like Google Drive, Stripe, and Zapier. This is great if you're using these tools regularly, as it brings all your information into one centralized place. However, it can feel a bit clunky at times, especially when trying to connect more niche tools or complex integrations. While it does the job, some users might find it less seamless than alternatives that offer more robust third-party support. Now, the fourth thing you should know about SuiteDash's workflow automation is its project tracking capabilities. Once your workflows are set up, you'll be able to easily track the progress of each project. You can set up dashboards that show the status of tasks and projects in real time, which can be really helpful for monitoring deadlines and team performance. However, I've found that the visual interface could use some improvement. It's not the most user-friendly when you're managing multiple projects simultaneously. The fifth thing is communication with clients and team members. SuiteDash integrates client communication into its workflows, so you can automatically send updates, invoices, or reminders without having to manually reach out. It's a great feature for saving time and ensuring clients always know the status of their projects. But it lacks some of the advanced communication features you might find in other project management tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams, especially if you're running larger teams. The last thing I'll mention is that SuiteDash comes with a built-in CRM, which can be really handy if you want to keep everything in one place. You can manage client relationships, track leads, and follow up with prospects, all while managing your projects. However, the CRM could use a bit more depth. It's decent for smaller operations, but it may not be powerful enough for larger, more complex needs. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While SuiteDash offers some great workflow automation features, I've found a couple of other platforms that might be better suited for more advanced project management. One tool that stands out is Name of Alternative Software. It has similar automation capabilities, but with a more flexible and user-friendly interface. Plus, it offers better third-party integrations, making it easier to scale your operations. The best part? We have an exclusive, extended free trial just for you. So, if you're ready to take your project management to the next level, I recommend checking out the link in the description for SuiteDash's exclusive offer, along with a better alternative that could better suit your specific needs. With these tools, you can make your workflow automation faster, easier, and more efficient.